Stop! Only genius kids can finish this. P, all the way to the. It gets harder every second. Can you keep up? Go, go, go! Wait! What sound is this? Is it A or H or N? Yes, it's N. N is for nose. Touch your nose. 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 What sound is this? Is it A or O or M? Choose fast. Yes, it's O. O is for orange. Can you say orange? Wait! What sound is this? P. Is it A or H or P? Choose fast. Yes, it's P. P is for pizza. Yummy pizza. Wait! What sound is this? Qu. Is it A or O or Q? Choose fast. Yes, it's Q. Q is for queen. Beautiful queen. Wait! What sound is this? Is it A or H or R? Choose fast. Yes, it's R. R is for rocket. Zooming rocket. Wait! What sound is this? S. Is it A or T or S? Choose fast. Yes, it's S. S is for sun. Shiny sun. Wait! What sound is this? T. Is it A or M or T? Choose fast. Yes, it's T. T is for tiger. Roar, tiger. Wait! What sound is this? Is it A or O or U? Choose fast. Yes, it's U. U is for umbrella. Rainy day fun. Wait, vroom. What sound is this? V. Is it B or V or F? Choose fast. Yes, it's V. V is for van. Let's ride the van. Splash! What sound is this? What? Is it U or W or M? Choose fast. Yes, it's W. W is for water. Water is fun.
Oh, yes.
Boom! Mystery sound coming. Is it S or X or Z? Choose fast. Yes, it's X. X is for X-ray. Let's see inside. Yummy! Listen carefully. E. Is it J or Y or E? Choose fast. Yes, it's Y. Y is for yogurt. So yummy. Z's. What's that buzzing sound? Z. Is it S or Z or D? Choose fast. Yes, it's Z. Z is for zebra. Look at the stripes.